How to adjust line spacing in MS Word application in Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can adjust line spacing in MS Word on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up Word application and select your document. Once you're under this interface, or once you have your document, now you have to select the text from your document where you want to adjust the line spacing on. After that, tap on this edit option from the bottom of this interface. Once you're under the editing mode, now tap on this arrow icon here in this interface next to the menu bar. So once you see this kind of interface, here scroll down a bit, and there you have one option as paragraph formatting. Tap on it. Under paragraph formatting, there is an option for line spacing. Tap on this arrow icon on line spacing. Now from here, you can adjust the line spacing. You can go with 1.0, you can go with 1.15. If you want more space, then you can go with 1.5. So in this way, you can adjust line spacing in MS Word and Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.